Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Data Analysis and choose DOS Response Study, Probit. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Data Upload Instructions. In this option, you can get instructions on how to properly upload your dataset. How to save as CSV. This option is provided to know how to save your dataset in CSV format correctly. How to perform analysis. In this option, you can get step-by-step guidance on how to perform statistical analysis. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the dose or time column. Next comes the responsible variables column. And then select the response data format. Click here if you want log transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create. DOS Response Curve Plot. Probit Transform Plot. Residual Plot. LD or LC Estimate Plot. Bootstrap Distribution Plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.